Welcome to this enchanted Bayview sanctuary that's going to take your breath away. I love how this home is actually two homes, an old and a new, brought together in pure design delight. We have all kinds of stuff to show you in this amazing property, so let's get right on to it. The older part of this home has a couple features that I think are absolutely beautiful. One are the original wood frame windows that create so much character. And second is the super dramatic high ceilings that are just amazing. When this mid-century kitchen was put in this house, it was quite a bit ahead of its time being open. It's actually perfect for today's lifestyle. I really like how this kitchen is kind of the glue that connects the old house and the new house. So let's go take a look and see what other new surprises are right behind this door. Let's go. Blending old and new architecture together seamlessly can sometimes be a challenge, but our client did a beautiful job taking the old and the new while still paying attention to the original details of the house. We're standing in this gorgeous, magnificent dining room with dramatic designer chandeliers and open vaulted ceilings that have beautiful, beautiful views of the garden. Character is always in the details. And this little window seat is the perfect place to relax, enjoy a book, while taking in the beautiful garden outside. And we're right above one of the most beautiful master suite creations I've ever seen. So let's go take a look and stay tuned for another surprise. Let's go. There's a thin veil between inside and outside space at this house. So let's go take a look at the magical outdoor spaces this home has to offer. Outdoor spaces are everything, and this house has so many. We're sitting in just one of them, but I want to take you to my favorite, so let's go. This garden oasis has been created over the last 20 years, and it has matured to one of my favorite gardens of any home we've ever sold. What I love about this is we're in the heart of San Francisco, but yet we feel so tranquil. We feel like we're in nature. It's almost like our own private sanctuary. This is truly such a special place, and we've enjoyed so much getting it prepared for its new homeowner. We hope you've seen all of its potential, the old and the new and the loft and the downstairs and the beautiful outdoor living space. This home is truly a one of a kind. We hope you've enjoyed the tour, and don't forget, at Renovation Design Realty, we move, we design, we build, we stage, and you win.